You are showing up, you are doing the exercises, you are putting in the work. So why are you not seeing the results you deserve? I'm going to show you the 5 form mistakes I see most women make, and every single one of them is quietly stealing your results. Welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome to the family. Bad form does not just slow your results, it increases your injury risk and makes every rep less effective than it should be. Today I'm breaking down the 5 most common mistakes I see after 10 years of training women and the simple fix for each one. I've also got a full leg workout on the channel if you want to put these fixes into practice straight away. Let's get into it. The number 1 mistake I see, and it does not matter which exercise we are talking about, is using momentum instead of controlling the movement. You see it in your bicycles, the body swinging, in lateral raises, the arms being thrown up, in rows, the whole torso jerking back. When you use momentum, you take the tension off the muscle completely, and muscle growth and strength happen under tension, not under momentum. The fix is simple. Slow down. If you cannot control the weight, both up and down, it is too heavy. The eccentric, the lowering phase, is where up to 40% of your muscle building stimulus comes from. Do not throw it away. Tempo rule, 2 seconds up, pause, 2 seconds down. Try it on your next set and feel the difference immediately. Mistake number 2, cutting your range of motion short. Half reps are everywhere. Half squats, half curls, half everything. And the research is clear. Partial range of motion training produces significantly less muscle growth than full range of motion training. Full range means the muscle is fully lengthened at the bottom and fully contracted at the top. That full stretch at the bottom of a squat, that full squeeze at the top of a curl, that is where the results live. The fix, go lighter if you need to. Better to do a full range of motion squat with lighter weights than a half squat with heavy weights. Your results will be dramatically better. Mistake number 3, just moving the weight instead of feeling the muscle work. This is especially common in back and glute exercises. Women finish a glute workout and feel it in their quads. They finish a back workout and they feel it in their arms. Sound familiar? The mind-muscle connection is your ability to consciously feel and contract a specific muscle during an exercise. Research shows that focusing on the muscle you are targeting, actively thinking about squeezing it, increases muscle activation to up to 22%. The fix: before every exercise, pause for 1 second. Think about the muscle you are about to work. Feel it, then move. That 1 second of intention changes everything. Mistake number 4, ego lifting. I see this all the time. A woman grabs a weight that is too heavy, her form breaks down completely, and she wonders why her shoulder hurts or why she never feels her glutes working. Here's the truth. Your connective tissue, your tendons and your ligaments, adapts much slower than your muscles. Your muscles might be ready for heavier weight, but your joints and tendons are not. Going too heavy too soon is one of the leading causes of training injuries in women. So how do I fix this? Choose a weight where the last 2 or 3 reps of every set are really challenging, but your form never breaks down. That is your training weight, not the heaviest weight on the rack. Mistake number 5, and this one surprises most women: incorrect breathing. Most women hold their breath during the hardest part of an exercise, or they breathe in completely the wrong direction, inhaling when they should be exhaling, and vice versa. Correct breathing during resistance training stabilizes your core, it protects your spine, and actually helps you lift more effectively. The rule is simple: exhale on the effort. When you push, pull or lift, breathe out. When you lower or return, breathe in. Try it on your next set of squats. Exhale as you drive up and notice how much more stable and strong you feel. I want to share something I see every single week. Women come to me frustrated. They have been training consistently for months and nothing is changing. And almost every single time when I watch them train, I see at least 3 of these 5 mistakes happening in every single exercise. We fix the form, we slow down the tempo, we find the mind-muscle connection, and within 4 weeks, their body starts responding in a way it never did before. Not because they trained harder, because they finally trained correctly, and that is available to every single woman watching this right now. So let me pull it together. The 4 mistakes wasting your workouts. Number 1, using momentum instead of muscle. Slow down. Number 2, not achieving full range of motion. Go all the way. Number 3, skipping the mind-muscle connection. Feel it before you move it. Number 4, going too heavy too soon. Form first, always. Number 5, incorrect breathing. Exhale on the effort. Fix these 5 things and your next workout will feel completely different from any workout you have ever done before. If you want to put these fixes into practice right now, go watch my leg workout on the channel and apply every single one of these. There's new videos every week right here on this channel. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a woman who is working hard but not seeing results, because she deserves to know this. Until next time, let's keep showing up for ourselves.